Paso Andales for 3. Pass. Second 3 for 9. Andales for 3. Nothing pa. Swing. Andales will take another 3. Pass.
Mayong adlaw nyo diya mga kangol. Nagpauwa na prog 3 ang arar pugoy sa Team Hangol. Si pari Darwin Andales ang best player of that game mga kangol. Samtang nag-early struggle ang atong pambato sa Inabanga. Si Ibit Pital ko rin mga kangol. Pero tanawa na to kinsa ning dawgan ning duwa nga kontra na to ang Barangay Lahog selection. Let's go!
Kabal, nakuha ni Delator Guswa, labing kupi, nakuha ni Padillo, Sipe jump shot, too strong, rebound, gusto number 2, nakuha ni gusto number 9, number 0, sorry, with fake, dapat aduwa, what a nice, Pinagurin for 2, it's good, Pinagurin, inside pass to her teammate, belakang, what a nice, defensive, pasan ni Lahira, wide open lay up, it's good. Nice. Rebound. Nakuha ni side step. Bitira. It's good. Right there. Nakuha. Tagurin. Jump. Shot on the free line. It's good. Tagurin. Another long. Number 9. Number 9. Dallas for 3. Nothing pa. Lahira. Nagkatapusan. Gipinahin na pa. Abi niya yung kauban. Patulili niya ay. Gili. It's good. Nakuha points. Tagurin. Inside pass to Sipit. Nice hit. Inside pass to Padillo. No good. Advance for 3. Wait. Nakuha ni Joshua. Pass to his brother. It's good. First, Johnson. Tagurin. What a nice solo pass. Walang i-approve. Gitira. Walang i-approve. Nakuha. Another wide open pass. Break by Padillo. Jump shot. Wala. Romer. Dilapos sa pula niya. Nakuha ni Bunsan. Ang iso sa rebound. Lahira. Pisina. Pass to Steven. It's good. Pass to Andales for 3. Pass. Second 3. Andales will take another 3. No good. Nakuha rin mula. Pass rin paso. Sorry akong idol. It's good. Nakuha rin Tagurin. This way. Andales will take another 3. Pass. Will take 3 points. No good. Gikuha. Number 11. Well, nice. 14 seconds remaining. Sorry. It's good. No rest remaining. Swing a ball. Back to Pisina wide open. It's good. Sorry na. Kumayuwas sa natin ito. Pass po mula. Gikapya. Putol pass. Sorry. Veterans ball. It's good. Alam. Kailangan ni Piesas with the rebound. Piesas sa bola. Piesas wide open layup. It's good. Pisina melupakan. Gitira. It's good. Inject. But recovers by the team Hangol sa bola. Ipasa. Number 7 and Teria. It's good. 2 points again. No good. Another strong rebound. Salutan. It's good. Salutan. Pass to Justin number 19. Kasi dito. Yes. Bola. Set back. Easy pace. Inside pass to Prantayan. Gitali. Tira. Pisina. It's good. Tira. It's good. We have only pass of Piesas. Sayang. But another recovery. Piesas is good. Sayang. Number 7. Belakang. Batuan lang. Dito support. Inside pass. Piesas sinawas. What a nice Janice Andito. Game Finland. What a nice upper hands. Was it number 19. Wide open layup. It's good. Number 7 Gilawas. It's good. Kaya pa. Pass. Tengo sa lapos. Nakuha ni Lumba. Napasa ni Inviesto. Follow up. It's good. Next one. Inviesto. Roll up. Pass. Second follow up. It's good. The ball. This is number 20. 1 for 3. And it's good. By jersey number 21. What a nice shot by Sanchez. Tole pass Bigas for at least Team Lahog. So jersey number 5. Nailugan na nakuha balik. 55 a jump shot. And De La Torre, adelante, De La Torre, De La Torre, para Rodríguez, Brazil, let's go. Ganda ng 55, para sa ilaw. Kabla ka nito, nice block, banda. Pasto Kabiga, Pasto Rodríguez, Pedas, Agualipas, Pedas, Viloras, Pedas, 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 shot, yeah, Pedas, Abelgan, di jump shot, De La Torre, pasa Pedas, Pedas, pasa depan, dari gol, Pedas, pasa De La Torre, kapian dari Pedas, keluar, atas Pedas, terima kasih, Pedas, De La Torre, De La Son, Ibrahim, Rodríguez, Rodríguez, Salutan, toy investor. Dukungan di Superliga Indonesia. Superliga yang saya menang. Let's go. Gol, Damas. Kita bersaing pasal Selatan. Gol, kita tahu yang satu bayar pulang tidak pada si gol. Salam for.
Dua tembak apa?
Pasto Kabiga.